Hello guys, today we are going to share the steps of how do I set up my HP Smart printer. Open HP Smart and select Set up a new printer. The app will search for nearby printers in Wi-Fi configuration mode and should find your computer quickly. Once found, click Configure on your printer, the matching model will be displayed. HP Smart confirms that the printer is ready to use, click Next. You will then be prompted to enter the Wi-Fi password for the network your computer is currently connected to. Confirm your password and click Continue. Since the printer is connecting to the network, you must confirm that it is close to the machine for security reasons. You will be prompted to tap the check mark on the printer screen. If your printer does not have a touch screen, press the printer information button. HP Smart confirms when the printer is connected to the wireless network.